Hi guys, let's look at the next exercise. In our first exercise of this chapter, we've talked about right circular cylinder. In the second exercise, we'll talk about right circular cone. Now the diagram that you see here, this is a right circular cone. This is basically formed when you take a right angle triangle and you revolve it around one of its sides. So you can revolve it either around the height or the base, not around the hypotenuse. So in case of a right circular cone, the hypotenuse of this triangle is known as the slant height or L, and the height is h, and the base, which is the radius, is the r. Now you obviously notice that there is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. If h and r are given, we can calculate L, or the other way around. You also notice that I have put a diagram here at the bottom, which is this. On the first diagram here is a right circular cone because the angle that it forms with the surface here is right angle, which is 90 degree. In this case, it is slanted to the right. In the case 2, it is slanted to the right. So this is the theta here is not 90. So this is not a right circular cone. Now in our syllabus this year for grade 10, we are talking purely about right circular cone. So even if the question doesn't mention right circular cone, it just mentions cones, we are talking about the first kind of a diagram, which is a right circular cone. A couple of formula. One, which is the volume of a right circular cone, is 1 by 3 pi r square h. I hope you remember volume of a cylinder was equal to pi r square h. So the volume of a cone with the same radius and the same height is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. Next, the curved surface area is given by pi rl, which is basically the surface. The curved surface area does not include the area of the base, which I have marked here. And the total surface area would be the curved surface area plus area of the base. Now in this case, the base is a circle, the area of which is pi r square. So the total surface area would be curved surface area plus area of base, which is pi rl plus pi r square, which is equal to pi r times l plus r. Let's solve some questions and we should be able to get this far more clearly. So let's look at question number 1. We are on exercise 20p. Find the volume of the cone whose slant height is 17 centimeter and base is 8 centimeter. So the base is 8 centimeter and the slant height is 17 centimeter. So for that, we need to first calculate the height. Now using Pythagoras theorem, I hope you remember the Pythagorean triplet, which is 8, 15 and 17. Using Pythagoras theorem, h would be equal to 15 centimeter, since 8, 15 and 17 are Pythagorean triplets. And so for these simple ones, you don't need to show the calculations. These are simple ones which people are expected to remember. In case you don't remember, well, you can do the calculation. So this is a Pythagorean triplet, which means h is equal to 15 centimeter. Now what do we have to calculate? We need to calculate the volume. So we know volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's substitute values. 1 by 3 into pi, which is 22 by 7 into r. R in this case is 8 multiplied with 8 multiplied with h, which we just calculated as 15. So that 3 into 1 and 3 into 5. So this is 22 upon 7 multiplied with 8 into 8, that's 64. 64 into 5, that's 320. 64 into 5, 320, right? So now let's just calculate 32 multiplied with 22. That's 4, 6, 4, 6. This is 4, 6 plus 4, 10. That's 704. So this is equal to 7040 upon 7 centimeter cube. Now we'll have to divide. So this would be 71, that's 0, sorry, this is 0, so this is 0, that's 4, which means again 0, this is 40, so that's 5, 7 into 5, 35, 50, let's put a decimal, bring down 0, so that's 7. So this is equal to 1005.7, that's 49, that's 10, which means 1. So 1005.71 centimeter cube. Good. Like I've said, in case the value of pi is not given, you have the option of taking it as 22 by 7 or 3.14. I prefer to take it as 22 by 7 mostly in case there is any cancellations or simplification which can be done. Otherwise, you are welcome to take 3.14 as well. That's unless the question specifies. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 2. Question number 2 states the curved surface area of a cone is 12320 square centimeter. So what's given is curved surface area, which is given by the formula pi RL is given equal to 12320 centimeter square. If the radius of the base is 56 centimeter, we need to calculate the height. Right, so let's substitute value of R in this formula, which means 22 by 7 into R, which is 56, multiplied with L is equal to 12320. That's 7178. This will give me the value of L, and then I can apply Pythagoras theorem to get the value of H. So this is L would be equal to 12320 upon 22 into 8. Let's just confirm. Pi RL is equal to 12320. That's 7 into 8. That's perfect. So this is 11 into 2. This is 11 1 11. That's 13. That's 11 ones are 11. That's 2. So that's 1120. It's 2 1. 2 5s are 10. 5 6 0. That's 8 1. 8 into 7. Yes, that's 70. Therefore, L is equal to 70 centimeter. So now this is 70 centimeter and the radius is 56 centimeter. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. This is where I can share a trick with you, which is again, let's go back to Pythagorean triplets. I can write L as 14 into 5 centimeter. The common element between 56 and 70, the highest common factor is 14. R is equal to 14 into 4 centimeter, which means this 14 is a constant. In my mind, I can write this as 5x. In my mind, I can write this as 4x. We know 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So the value of h would be 3x. So using Pythagoras theorem, I get h is equal to 3x, which means 3 into 14 centimeter is equal to 30, and that's 42 centimeter. X is 14 and x is 14. That's the height that they want is, therefore height is 42 centimeter. In case you don't like this method, well, the other option is still available, which is 70 square is equal to 56 square plus h square, which means h square would be equal to 4900 minus 56 square. That's 6 into 6, 36, 30 and 3, 30, 33, 5 into 6, 30, 5 into 5, 25 plus 3, 28. That's 6, 3, 11, 3136. So this is minus 3136. So 4900 minus 3136. 10 minus 6, that's 4. 9 minus 3, that's 6. 8 minus 1, that's 7. And 4 minus 3, that's 1. 4809. Yeah, that's fine. So h square is equal to 1764. At this point of time, I will have to find the square root either using the long division method or using the prime factorization method. So let's just quickly revise the prime factorization method. Let's divide this. This is 2 into 8, 16. That's 2 into 8, 16 and 2. 8 plus 2. Yeah, this is still divisible by 2. So this is 4, 4, 1. This is divisible by 3. So this is 3, 1, that's 14, 3 4s are 12, that's 7. This is still divisible by 3, so this is 3 4s are 12, 27, that's 9. And then let me just erase this part here, so I have space to calculate. And now this is 7 7 7 1. So this is 1 2 comes out of here, 1 3 comes out of here, and 1 7. So this is 2 into 3 into 7, which is nothing but 42 centimeter. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 3. Question number 3 says the circumference of the base of a 12-meter high conical tent is 66. So the height is 12 meter. We need to find the volume. So the formula of volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. I need to calculate the radius, and that's when I can substitute it in this formula. So it says circumference. So the base is a circle, which means circumference of a circle is 2 pi r is given equal to 66 meter. Let's substitute values. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 66, which means r is equal to 66 into 7 upon 2 into 22. That's 11 into 2, 11 into 6. That's 2 into 1, 2 into 3. So this is 21 upon 2 meter. So radius we've calculated as 21 upon 2 meter. Now we need to calculate the volume. So we know volume is given by the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's substitute values. 1 by 3 pi is 22 upon 7. R we calculated as 21 upon 2 multiplied with 21 upon 2 into h. Height is given as 12. So this is 7 into 1, 7 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 1. This is 2 into 1, 2 into 6, 2 into 1, 2 into 3. Let's just confirm. 7 into 3, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This is 2, 6, then 2, 3. So this is 22 into 21 into 3. That's 22 into 63. So this is 63 into 22. That's 6 and 12. That's 6 and 12. This is 6831. So this is equal to 1386 meter cube. Therefore, volume is equal to 1386 meter cube. Good. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 8. Yeah, question number 8. Question 4, 5, 6, 7 I would do in a separate video as homework. Please note the board usually never asks questions where there are fractions where there are ratios, but I will still solve the questions in the next video, which will be our homework video. Let's look at question number 8 till then. Question number 8 says a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone of diameter 16.8. So radius is given equal to 16.8 upon 2, which is 8.4 meter. Height is given equal to 3.5 meter. Next, find the volume. So volume we know is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's substitute values. When I substitute values, what I get is 1 by 3 into pi, which is 22 upon 7, into r, which is 8.4 into 8.4 into h, which is 3.5. 7 1, and this is 7 1.2. Yes, this is fine. This is 3 1 and 3 0.4. So volume is 22 into 0.4 into 8.4 into 3.5 meter cube. 22 0.4 8.4 3.5. So this is 22 into 0.4, that's 88, that's 8.8. and now let's calculate. So this is 84 into 35, that's 5 into 4 20, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 3 into 4 12, 24 plus 1 25, that's 0492. How many decimals? 2. So this is 29.4. So now we have 294 multiplied with 88. That's 4 into 8, 32. 8 into 9, 72 plus 3, 75. 8 into 2, 16 plus 7, 23. Let's just confirm. 32, 3, 8 into 9, 72 plus 3, 75. 8 into 2, 16 plus 7, 23. So this is 2, 5, 3, 2. This is 2, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. This is 5. This is 2. So this is 2, or this was into 29.4, and this is equal to 258. How many decimals? 1 here, 1 here, which means 258.72 meter cube. So the first part of my question, find the volume, done. I need to erase these calculations so that I have some space to do the next part of the question. Let's look at the second part of the question. Second part of the question says, how much cloth is required to just cover the heap? Now there is something which you need to understand here. Since this is a heap of wheat, it is kept somewhere. You would not be covering the base. You would be covering only the curved surface area. Only this area. You would not cover the base. So curved surface area is given by the formula pi RL. So I know the value of R, I know the value of H, I need to calculate the value of L. So let's look at this again. 8.4 can be written as 7 into 1.2. Yes, and this can be written as, or rather let's look at it at 0.7 into 12. It will be easier to calculate. So this will be 0.7 into 12. This can be written as 0.7 into 5, which means this is 0.7x, and this is, or rather this is 12x, this is the x value, and this is 5x. Therefore L will be 13x, which means the value of L will be equal to 13 into 0.7, that's 9.1, not centimeter, meter, right? 9.1 meter. Let's do the calculation using the traditional Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, this is an easier way of doing it and a faster way of doing it in case you remember Pythagorean triplets. Anyway, so L square would be equal to 8.4 square plus 3.5 square. Now 84 into 84, that's 4 into 4, 16. 32 plus 1, 33. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 8, 64 plus 3, 67. That's 6, 5, 10, 7, 0, 5, 6. So this is 70.56 plus 3.5 square will be 3 into 4. That's 12.25. So L would be equal to the square root of this. Let's add this 1, 2, 2, 5. That's 5 plus 6, 11. That's 7 plus 1, 8. This is 2 and 8. So this is 8281 upon 100. I hope you remember the square root calculations. You divide it by factors of 10 so that you don't have to find square root of decimal. Makes life easier. Now 8281. Let's divide. Divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. That's 12. 7 ones are 7. That's 58. That's 7 eights are 56. That's 21. That's 7 into 3. Next 7 again. This will be 7. 48. That's 7. 6 are 42. And that's 63. So that's 7 nines are 63. Next 3. That's, let me just check if I have done a mistake. 9 into 7 ones are 7. That's 12. 7 ones are 7. That's 58. That's 7 eights are 56. Yes, and 21. 7 threes are 21. This is 7 into 1, 7. That's 48. 7 six are 42. That's 63. 7 nines are 63. So this would be, no, this is not divisible by 3. That's the mistake that I'm doing. I know 169 is 13 square. So this would be 13 square. So this is therefore square root of 8281 is equal to 91. we could have done this, all of this, with the calculation of Pythagorean triplets that I had shared with you. So this is 91 upon 10, which is equal to 9.1. That's the same calculation that I had done. Now let's look at the what we need to calculate. What we need to calculate is the curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to 22 by 7 into r. R is given as 8.4 multiplied with L, which is 9.1. That's 7.1. This is 7 into 1.2. So now let's multiply again. 91 multiplied with 12, right? So that's 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 9, 18. That's 1 and 9. This is 2, 9, 10. Let's confirm. 2, 18, 1, 9, 2, 9, 10. We'll have to multiply it with 22. How many decimals? 2, which means this is 10.92. This is 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 9, 18. That's 1 and 2. This is 4, 8, 1, 2. This is 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 8, 9, 10. That's 4 and 2. So this is how many decimals? 2 here. So this is 240.24. So let me just erase this. This is 240.24. So this is equal to 240.24 meter square. Therefore, cloth required of area 240.24 meter square. Right, that finishes this video for us. Bye for now. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye bye.